DB coming into Ascot Exchange. So this area has already had the CNI done. You can see that the HOD's there. Pretty sure Telstra put that in there, which is brilliant, because they've already got the feeds in, as you can see. I'll get out of that light. And we just got to then run our feeds on the racks and equipment down there. See the labelling just telling them the suite locations and the cold aisle side, so it's important when we're obviously putting the equipment, we get the hot and cold right. You know, I'll try and get out of some light. Basic construction, you know, we basically need to build this whole area here. These areas will be stripped, and we'll come in and just build this type of superstructure. So, you know, they all look pretty standard. These poles here are the same as internally there, just got a crossbar through. Looks like a little bit of cutting's done, so there's probably, you know, a drop saw to be had and whatnot as well, but we'll need to be doing that and following their instructions on how to work safely in exchange. There'll be loading docks and all that, so we'll need to cut the iron out in that loading dock, and any holes we drill in these floors, we'll need to have a vacuum cleaner, you know, here with us. This is some of the stuff we'll probably end up taking out. This is all old crossbar, and, you know, fucking before you and I bloody joined Telstra, all this shit, so this stuff's good to pull out as well. So I'll be chasing a little bit of this from Telstra internally as well. So yeah, you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's just that little bit of separation between the ironwork and the wall. I'm not sure who does this power with the lights and whatnot. I'll have to have a look. That might be something we need to bring someone in to do. I mean, the installation of the lights and running the cables will be pretty well our responsibility. Up there, the air conditioning, which is obviously what Pete does, so you'll be building around, or building first, and Pete's group would come in and put them in. See the vents up the top there, and basically just saying that the cold aisles. These blue vents are obviously where more of the equipment, where the vents will be, but they're just not installed. It's got a, you know, cable tray, so it's, you know, it's a little bit just bolting it together. You know, obviously it's got that wire there, and they're just using cable ties to do it. They've built one up there. You can probably see through there. But just got a nice little drop off coming down onto the trays here. On the floor, again, just separated, and there's a test, if you read that in that manual there, tells you how to perform an earth leakage test, which is a multimeter. Again, it's got a couple of little drop offs, so you can tell that, you know, that's sort of been cut, I reckon, or scratched. But I think we just get long, you know, just get boxes and boxes this long steel, and we just cut it and join it. You know, all the corners, you get used to them. Again, this might show it a bit better. You can just see that strip of protection there to de-earth it. Other end, so labelling is going to be really important. These bars here, these are easy to identify. You can see they've got two styles of racks. Oh, sorry, of suites or separations. You've got that H pattern there, and then you've got these ones here with just one single or skinnier sort of bracket in it. These ones here, I'm pretty sure, hold where the fibres go. So this is where the MDF, if you like, is here for NBN. So all their fibres coming in and out into this equipment will probably go between these racks. So this is a 10 rack site, which makes sense. I've done a bit of labelling here for us, so sort of telling me that there's that should be its location, and an OLT4 is going there. That one was an OLT3, a DT, a DLT,